Okay, welcome back to List Building Tips for Affiliate Marketers. And in this video, we are going to take a look at what is an intermediate step. Now, we have just talked about in one of the previous videos, we talked about the fact that one of the things that you want to look for are tools, upsells, and rebills or continuity. And we want to take a look at those things within the product that we're going to be working with here in this course, which is the Tao of Badass. And so we're going to go back to ClickBank so that you can see a few things that you'll need to do when you start picking your own products. We talked about the fact that you want to look for affiliate tools, and affiliate tools are going to be those things, those graphics, sales copy swipes that will help you to sell, help you to write emails, help you to write your sales pages and landing pages and even your pre-sale page. You want to take a look and find out, remember again, that if the product has upsells, because again, this will help you to be able to earn more money with each sale. You want to find out if there are going to be rebillings. In other words, so the customer that you bring to this product creator, they're going to buy, and then the product creator does a good job of selling them into a continuity program so that they can continue their education. Once again, now with some product creators, they will pay you for each rebilling, and that is going to be good for you. And also, now what you want to do in order to find out about these things, even if you go to the marketplace first, I'll show you this here in a minute, you want to start at the JV page, and that is where the product creator gives you all the information about the product and how you can JV with them or how you can promote the product. Now, if you don't have a JV page, you can either look for one on Google or you can look for one in the marketplace or the ClickBank marketplace or the JVZoo marketplace. You can see if there's one there. But if not, one of the things you can always do is you can go to Google, type in the name of the product, and then put in the words JV to see if there is a JV page. Okay, now let's take a look at the marketplace in ClickBank. Okay, so taking a look at the Tao of Badass, one of the things you'll notice here inside of their description is they have a sign up for their affiliate program or sign up for the JV program. So what you can do is now that you've determined, okay, they're paying 75%. Okay, the initial sale is going to be $53. There are rebillings. You can see the average rebill total, 158.94. And so what you can do is now you can take a look to see if this is something that you want to do. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to be working with this product anyway. So what we're going to do to check out some of these other things is to go to their JV page. We're just going to go straight there. And you'll notice that right from the start, you've got the JV page where they're telling you about the product here. Obviously, you're going to want to sign up because this is going to help you to be part of the affiliate contest. Now, they've already launched, but you can still get some pretty valuable information if you sign up there. And basically, they are really kind of giving you what you're going to be doing, and they're going to give you all of the all of the great things that you're going to be able to use as being their affiliate. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's sign up here for the affiliate program. Okay, so as soon as we sign up for the JV page, you'll notice that now you're going to be brought to the affiliate tools page. So you're going to then be able to get your affiliate link here. And remember now, we've got swipes and banners, reports, and blog posts. So we've got all the information about the product on the previous page, and then we've got all the affiliate tools that we need on this page. So we can put this same information into an autoresponder script if that's what we so choose. We can alter it in order to fit our particular list, but we've got some things here that will help us to sell the product. Now, sometimes they can be tested, and other times they can't. You'll have to definitely test your own. So you've got banners here, webinar swipes, opt-in swipes. You've got everything that you need here on the page in order to promote the product, and this will then help you to put together a dynamic affiliate campaign. And we're going to be using some of this material as we go forward by constructing squeeze pages to get ready to help us to build our list. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.